Finally. I am finished with my big history paper. I need to check my English grammar before tomorrow morning. Perfect. The AI tool changed some words, but it looks beautiful now. Today is going to be a great day.
Good morning, Alex.
Hey, Maya.
Did you finish your history thesis last night?
Yes, I did. I sent it to the professor at midnight.
That is wonderful news. You worked so hard on that paper.
Now, I want to buy a very big breakfast.
Haha.
Wait a minute. I just got an official email from the university administration. This cannot be true. They are saying my paper is fraudulent.
What does it say exactly, Alex? Read it out loud.
The university software flags my thesis as 100% AI plagiarism. I wrote every single sentence myself. I spent weeks in this library.
Look at this report. The automated system says your vocabulary matches an AI writing generator.
I only used an AI website to fix my bad grammar points. I did not know the website would rewrite my whole paper like a robot.
This is a serious problem, Alex. The university has a zero-tolerance policy for academic dishonesty.
If they do not believe me, they will expel me from the university permanently.
Hey guys, I heard about what happened to your history paper, Alex.
Daniel? How do you know about this already?
The department secretary was talking about it this morning near the office. The university dean is calling 3 students into his office today because of AI cheating.
Oh no. That means the administration is moving very fast on this.
You need to find a way to defend yourself right now, Alex. Go to the administration office.
Alex, I came as fast as I could when I read your text message.
Sophie, please tell me you talked to the student union. Can they help me?
I tried my best, Alex, but the university rules are extremely strict this semester. The professor already signed a document to cancel your final course grade completely.
But I did not cheat. This is going to ruin my entire life.
Sit down, Mr. Alex. We have much to discuss.
Thank you, Dean Henderson.
This is your history thesis similarity report. The score is 95%.
Sir, I must explain. I wrote the research myself.
The software does not make mistakes, Alex. It matched your phrases exactly.
I used a grammar check website. Only for my bad English grammar points.
The university rule is very clear on this. Generative technology cannot write your papers for you.
But the ideas are my ideas. I only wanted the paper to sound professional.
If you did not use your own vocabulary, it is still fraud, Mr. Alex.
I can write the whole thesis again. Give me 24 hours.
Absolutely not. You are lucky we are not expelling you today, young man.
But if I fail this history course, I cannot graduate in the spring.
You must now wait for the formal decision of the Academic Review Board.
Alex, what did Dean Henderson say? How bad is it?
He does not believe me. They think I am a liar.
Oh, Alex, I cannot believe this is happening to you.
They have been inside the review office for over an hour now, Maya.
I can see the result on your face, Alex. I am so sorry.
Is there truly nothing we can do to fight this ridiculous policy?
The student union meeting is tonight at 8. I am going to make a speech.
Yes. Sophie is right. We must make the other students understand this serious problem.
You guys are really going to help me? After everything?
Of course we are. We all use online tools, Alex. Next time, it could be any of us facing the dean.
But what if the university threatens you all too?
All right, these are the forms.
Look at all these people, Maya. My heart is beating so fast.
Do not worry, Alex. Take a deep breath. We are right here with you.
I have the statistics ready. We are going to show everyone that this software is flawed.
Attention, everyone. Please take your seats. The meeting is starting now. Thank you for coming tonight. We are here to talk about a very serious problem on our campus. Today, an innocent student was accused of fraud because he used a basic online grammar tool. Please welcome my friend, Alex, to share his story.
Hello, everyone. My name is Alex, and I am a third-year history student. Last night, I finished my thesis paper. I worked on it for 3 long weeks. I only wanted to fix my poor English grammar. But the university software says I am a cheater. Now, I am facing expulsion. My entire future is in danger because of a robot detector.
But rules are rules. If the software says you cheated, how do we know you are telling the truth?
I have all my original research notes on my desk.
He is telling the truth. The software makes mistakes every single day.
Please look at the projection screen, everyone. This data shows that AI software falsely accuses international and non-native English students 50% of the time. The software flags normal vocabulary improvements as computer-generated text. It is unfair.
We have a petition right here. We need 100 signatures tonight. We must force Dean Henderson to review Alex's case properly. Who will sign first?
I will sign. This could happen to any of us tomorrow.
Thank you! Thank you so much, everyone! We have over 200 signatures now. I am ready to face them.
The whole student body is watching this case, Alex. The dean cannot ignore us today.
What is the meaning of this? Why are you all standing out here?
Dean Henderson, we have new evidence regarding my history thesis. Please hear us.
You have 5 minutes, Mr. Alex. The Academic Review Board meets in an hour.
This is a petition signed by 250 students. They want a fair review for Alex.
Sir, please look at these official statistics from 3 other major universities. The software consistently flags non-native English writing structures as automated text. It is a known technical error.
And this is my true proof, Dean Henderson. These are my original handwritten notes. I wrote every single idea in these notebooks before I ever touched a computer screen.
These notes match the core historical arguments of your final thesis paper exactly. The university will dismiss the plagiarism charge, Mr. Alex. Your course grade is safe.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for believing me.
I am so relieved that is finally done.
I feel like a giant weight is finally gone from my shoulders.
Just promise me one thing, Alex. No more automated grammar websites for your next paper.